Thanks for watching. I'm doing a little review on Extreme Rock Tumbling replacement liner for a Model B tumbler. It also fits the Rebel 17 tumbler as well. As you can see, my old liner was pretty brittle and it took a lot for me to get it out. Here you can see the top of the old liner. The flaps that hold it in all broke off. Here you can see how thick the new liner is. Not only is it thick, it's much softer than the old liner. So when you're tumbling rocks, it's a lot quieter. I lost my cameraman, so I wasn't able to film me installing it. But once you get it in past the bottom, it slides right down into the barrel. Here's a little test after I got it installed. I still need to clean up my tumbler. I also bought these plastic nuts that replace the steel wing nuts, and they came with a tool to help you tighten them and loosen them. Really impressed. They fit really nice. They're smaller, so they don't hang up on the tumbler. All in all, a good deal. Was way cheaper than buying a brand new one from the original manufacturer. Thanks for watching my video. This was done with no support. It's all on my own. Thanks again for watching.